do not know at what age I will stand before God, but surely I have at least 30 years left, do I not? I am deeply troubled that I failed to take care of what was mine, yet I have now exhausted every human effort. I pray to understand God's intent, whether it is His will for me to worsen and live out my remaining days in pain, or whether His will is to restore me step by step. I pray not merely to ask, but to align my prayers with God's perspective. It was through encountering this crisis that I finally met the Lord. How deeply grateful I am. Thank you for allowing me to reflect upon myself. Thank you for the blessings you have showered upon me all this time. I repent for living in ignorance, failing to realize how much I was given, just as you granted the miracle of life renewed for my mother. How wonderful it would be if you would grant that same miracle to me, Lord. Please intervene. God is a Father who gives good things to His children. I long for the God of love to step into my life. Show me what it truly means to live by God's strength. I confess that He who carries my heavy burdens when I cry out in pain is truly my Father. Lord, show me what your will is. I remember your love, how you saved me each time I face death. Though I cannot fully comprehend your intentions, if you would grant me your mercy, I pray this pain may be completely healed. Help me to recover, to grow stronger, so that for the rest of my life, whatever task you assign to me, I may be able to fulfill it. Human efforts are exhausted, and I need God's divine intervention. Arriving here at the third great hardship of my life, I seek your will for the time I have left. Lord, save me, Lord, be with me. I pray